You're being a bat, bats.
It's weird because I got a bat toy.
You do get a bat toy.
And now there's bats in the tree.
And now there's bats in the trees. Let's see. Hello, little bats.
But the baby got a hole in the bum.
Because they're toilet paper bats. Hi guys.
Welcome back to Freya Makes. Today we're making little
bats.
And we got some bat pets.
We have got some bat pets.
Yeah, they're called toys.
Yeah. Out of toilet paper.
So we're going to transform this into this.
Into that.
But not this cuddly.
Yeah. So all you need.
Into this.
Yeah. So all you need is a toilet roll holder.
Some black paint.
Some black paint.
Some googly eyes.
Some glue.
And
some card for the wings.
And you could have
That's paint as well. Yeah.
And you have to cut them out.
You do have to cut them out.
Little glue there and a little bit glue there, and then put it on.
So first of all, we have to paint these black.
Black.
Yep.
Yeah. Can we? Are we also allowed to use these?
Yep. Well, you can make them any colour you want, but I'm going to make mine black.
I'm making mine black.
Okay, well you can make yours black too.
Making
You can make the wings a different colour if you like.
I'm making my wings. Are we allowed to make the tummies brown?
Whatever you want to do.
I'm making the tummies.
You can make the tummies brown.
Okay.
Very good. You don't need loads, so just
spread it out.
Spread it out everywhere.
If you run out of paint on your brush, you can just get a little bit more.
Have a little bit more.
Is yours dry?
Nearly.
Very weak.
Yep, because look. Watch.
Okay.
Ta-da! And then you have some bat wings. What colour are you going to do yours?
I want mine to be black. Mama,
Yeah.
Can that one be mine?
Whichever one you want, sweetie.
This one, because mine had more colour on than
More colour. Right.
Ew, I just got a bit black on it.
That's alright. Right, go in. What colour do you want your bat wings to be?
White.
You want white wings?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I have it this way?
Whatever way you would like.
I'm going to do some brown and black.
There we go. And then you need to colour your wings into. What colour do you want? Do you want them coloured in? Sorry. Do you want your wings colouring in?
Yeah.
What colour would you like? How about? Because look on this one, he's got little orange wings. So how about do little red wings? We've got red and yellow, and you can make orange. Want to do that? Yeah. Or would you like red wings? Or you can have blue or green. Okay, well you'll have to wait for sister to finish, unless you want to paint it. Do you want to paint?
Here we go.
Oh, there you go. You want to use the paint stick. Sleeves up.
Mama, actually, I want my bat wings to be red.
Okay.
And it still looks like, isn't it?
It is cute.
And these sticks work really fast.
The sticks do, and they dry quite quick too.
Yeah. They feel kind of weird because painting with... You're having yellow wings.
I am having yellow wings.
Cool, Mummy. Cool.
Cool.
Can I have the lights now? Sister.
When sister's finished, you can. And then I am going to take my black.
What are you doing with black, Mummy?
And I'm going to do a little...
Lions? What for?
So when you put it on, so I've done yellow with little lines.
Can I put some lines on my
And then
red?
when you put it on,
Daddy.
it'll look like bat wings.
Ooh, cool.
In Batman's underpants.
You'll be very happy.
Look.
Batman's underpants.
Guys, does that look like Batman's underpants?
Comment down below.
If it looks like Batman's underpants. The bat wings, look. Doo-doo.
No, underpants.
Good colouring there, Ian.
Can you draw the lines on mine?
I can draw lines on yours. yours.
Batman's. I got Batman's underpants. I'm going to show Dada and see if he thinks it's Batman's underpants anymore.
So we've just drawn some lines on.
It's
So
just
when
not.
you stick it to
Can
it,
I see what it looks like? Whoa.
does it look cool?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm going to show Dada. Underpants.
Underpants.
Fixing the sign. Start. Hold down.
Oh, did it?
Start.
Stop. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
What?
It's a song.
Wait a minute, there's the postman. Is it? Wait a minute, there's the postman. Oh no, it's not. It's a cat.
Right, I tell you what, let's put our eyes on.
Yes.
Right.
I want red.
I thought you would want red. So
To match.
you have some red.
This is pink.
That's red.
Oh, pink.
You got red eyes, so you
Yay,
want to stick
red.
your red eyes on.
This is mine.
That one yours. There's still a little bit damp.
No, this one.
That one. Okay, use that one.
This one because it's got glitter on, and I put some sneakers
Oh,
glitter
has got some
on.
glitter on. Right, so you do your two red eyes.
Okay,
Erin, what colour eyes would you like?
Mine.
That is really cool. Should we show them?
Yeah.
And there's Erin's wings. I might have one yellow and one green
Oh,
to make him really funky.
Mine's just going to be like a real bat.
Like a real bat.
I want to do my bat's falling apart.
You what? What's the matter? Don't worry about it. We've got glue, look. It's amazing what you can do with glue. Batman's underpants.
We should write Batman on the wings. Batman on
Hashtag we are not making Batman's underpants. Okay, so all you do is you do a line down the middle of glue.
In the back.
On there. No, down the middle of there.
Can you get this line bit off? I'm scared. Can you do it?
Yeah. So all you do. It's quite
I don't
easy.
know what's the middle and what's
So see where those little crosses are?
yeah.
Just do
Oh, now I know.
a little line going right the way down the middle.
It's easy. Now,
And then you get your
bat.
bat. Make sure his eyes are to the front. And then you just stick it on.
And if it's not sticking on, just pass it to
Yeah.
another person. Go
Maybe
like that,
squish it
and
down.
then
Yeah, you just hold it down.
you ready? The final gross for me. The final steady.
You ready? Are you steady? Wow.
Mine doesn't have any teeth. It
Oh,
has
where's yours?
black on that side.
Yep, so it has black on one side and red on the other. Teeny tiny little triangle. Can I borrow that glue a second?
Oh, the okie dokie. Oh, the okie dokie.
And then I'm going to put one little teeth there.
Two little red eyes.
You want two little red eyes.
Freya's gone. And Freya's back.
Oh, that's a good little tummy.
Can I say? Oh, the red works so well on that.
Right.
What about mine?
Yeah, it looks like he's got like a shiny tummy now.
I want
Right,
it to be
Erin?
a brown to me.
So I have cut two little triangles out for you. So you need to stick them on for his teeth.
I need teeth.
And I'm going to stick two little triangles out for
I
you.
need teeth.
Here we go.
way? How do you stick it in?
With glue.
that way?
Whatever way
How
you
do
want your
stick
teeth
the
to be.
knife
And here is our bats.
in? That's my back.
Your bat, Erin, is that one in the middle?